This tutorial will help you to understand how to create vertical stacked line chart by dimension in Bizintel360. Let's begin. Navigate to Widgets tab on left-hand side. Then click on Vertical Stacked Line Chart from Widget List. Search for data source of your choice from the list available. Select it. In Set Widget Parameters section, select Aggregation Type, Column Names from the drop-downs. Sort by, Order, Count and Filter by Parameters are optional. Click Next. Within a minute your vertical stacked line chart by dimension is ready. There is an option to configure your chart. That is Set Widget Properties section. Try different options available to enhance your chart. Click on Generate Charts button to apply changes to your chart. Now, click on Save button appearing on top right-hand side, name your widget. Click on Save. This is it. Thanks for watching.